Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're here at the East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. It's the East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. We're looking at some fabulous, beautiful apartments here, and this is one of them. This is a one-bedroom study. It's really nice. I just want to do a super quick highlight of this, maybe about a minute and 15. So let's go at it. We've got a gorgeous open cabinet that's here. I love these kind of features. That's an Italian feature, and it's also very modern and fun. I love all the lighting that's here. This island also has a beautiful wine fridge that's there. It's super pretty. I love the gas that you have to cook with as well. Super, super nice. And then I also love the cabinets that are here that will give you pretty much a pantry with this beautiful LG fridge. You also have a really pretty floor. It's kind of a muted lighter wood, and love the wood here. I also love the additional cabinets and storage over here with this half bath and a study that's here. The study is phenomenal. It does close off. In addition, there is a beautiful, this is a beautiful area. It's got a lot of space to work with. You can have a lot of couches. You can have couch chairs. You have a huge wall here to work with. It's great. The bedroom looks like this. It's gorgeous. It also has very big windows, and then the bathroom looks like this. It's just simply delightful. I also love the walk-in shower that's here. That's very, very nice. And then the bathtub that's here, and then the huge walk-in closet. Hey, this is a really pretty one-bedroom den here at the East Quarter. If you'd like to get some more information about it or set up a live virtual tour, that's free with our service. Just send in a text to me. My number is below. Just say, I'd love to get a virtual live tour, or just get some of the questions answered about Dallas. We help out with all Dallas apartments, only the best, always all of the best. And we'd be happy to help you. I would be personally love to help you with your best, have your best Dallas residents here. So send me a text at the number below.